this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to have a free VPN for your iPhone 11, iPhone 10, iPhone 8, 7 or any other version of iPhone. Let me unlock my phone. In this case we have to go to App Store. Here we go. In App Store, tap here searching option at the corner and type vpn.lat Latin. You have many software, many VPN, but not all of them works. Some of them you have to pay. So this one I tested and it works, the free version. You see VPN lat, this one, the green one. Hit get button here. After putting the password, the VPN I think is downloading. You can see here at the corner is done. I close here all. You can open from there. I will see in App Store where I have this VPN. Here we go. In App Store, hit this one. You have to allow this VPN to use. Hit allow, allow, tap to connect. Here we go at the middle. Hit yes. This is free, so they will put you some ad. You have to tolerate this one. I hit close this one, this app. Tap to disconnect, so it's already connected. So my location here you see is Portugal. You can tap and change the location. Sometimes it delays a little bit because it's free version. So in this case you can use Netflix or any other streaming service. If you have to do some payment from different country, you can use this one and it's reliable. I use this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.